What is my best experience of Bellissima? There's honestly too many at the moment. I've just gone and done a chocolate tasting, the ice cream I've just had this morning, Oreo. I had ice cream for breakfast, by the way. Oreo and mango flavours, amazing. It's just been absolutely unreal. The kids' facilities are incredible. So hopefully many more to come tonight.
I absolutely love the yacht club. I've never been in an MSC ship before, and the yacht club is just stunning.
Apart from seeing Mike and Isaac in the corridor with the towels round and going for a dip. On a serious note, I think we'd agree it's speciality dining.
Definitely.
From our point of view, to be able to go in each restaurant, we've just been in the Butcher's Cup, the steaks to die for.
20 years in travel, I don't even like staying in hotels with my family. Purely because there are so many people, I can't escape, I don't want to see the same people every morning, every day. Didn't think cruises for me. First time on a ship, come in, already texted home and said we've got to do it. I could literally spend forever here. So much fun.
My best bit about Bellissima is the space, the ambience, the fantastic bars, and the food is amazing. The specialty restaurants, from the tapas bar to teppanyaki, every choice is catered for, and now I'm off for a drink.